In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create trend-based fib time on Tradingview, quick and easy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add it to your chart, adjust it, customize it, and understand what it's actually showing you. First, make sure you're logged into Tradingview and have a chart open. Any market and any time frame will work for this, so just open the chart you want to analyze. Now look at the upper left side of your chart. This is where your main drawing tools live. Hover over the toolbar until you see the section that includes Gann and Fibonacci tools. Click on that and a list of different tools will pop out. From that list, find and click on Trend Based Fib Time. Once you select it, your cursor will change and you're ready to start plotting it directly on the chart. Trend Based Fib. Time uses 3 points, so we'll create them one by one. First, click on the point where you want your measurement to begin. This is usually a clear swing, low or swing high, depending on the move you're analyzing. Next, move your cursor to the end of that initial move and click again to create your second point. This defines the base move in time that the tool will use. Finally, move your cursor forward in time and click a third time to place the projection. That last point tells Tradingview where to start drawing the Fibonacci time intervals. After you place the 3 points, you'll see vertical lines or zones appear on your chart. These mark Fibonacci-based time projections, which can help you anticipate areas where future price action might speed up, slow down, or potentially reverse. Remember, this is a timing tool, not a price target tool, so you use it together with your price levels and other analysis. You can click and drag any of the anchor points to move or adjust the entire tool. This is helpful if you want to test different swings or refine your placement as the chart develops. If you want to customize it, simply click on the tool so it's selected and a small toolbar will appear nearby. From here, you can open templates to save or apply your favorite settings. You can change the color to make it stand out or blend in with your chart theme, and you can adjust the line width to make the levels thinner or bolder. You can also open the full settings panel to tweak visibility, style, and which Fibonacci time levels are shown. If you don't want to accidentally move it, click the lock option to keep it fixed in place. When you're done with it, click remove to delete it from the chart. The 3 dot or more menu gives you quick access to additional options like hiding, copying, or managing templates. Overall, trend-based fib time is a powerful way to visualize potential timing windows on Tradingview. Use it to complement your existing strategy, and over time you'll get a feel for which swings and levels are most meaningful for your trading style.